Welcome to 5 Shifts in Demand Gen, the new rules of pipeline growth. Demand generation isn't what it used to be. The playbook that worked in 2019, dead. Today, the rules have flipped, and if you're not adapting, you're leaving pipeline on the table. The old playbook is dead. The strategies that once drove success are no longer effective in today's dynamic market. Let's break down the 5 big shifts you need to know to stay ahead. Number 1. Account-based marketing, or ABM, is back at the center of go-to-market strategies. Spray and pray campaigns don't cut it anymore. It's all about precision, targeting the right accounts with the right plays at the right time. Number 2. Intent data is non-negotiable. If you're not using buyer signals to prioritize outreach, you're already behind. Intent isn't nice to have, it's oxygen for your pipeline. It's crucial for effective prioritization. Number 3. Acquisition is taking budget priority over retention. Yes, customer marketing is still important. But right now, boards want new logo growth. Net new is back in the spotlight. Number 4. Content fatigue is real. The old lead gen funnels are collapsing because buyers are overwhelmed. To win, your content has to be fresh, unique, and laser-focused on solving real problems. And number 5. ROI proof decides who gets budget. No more vanity metrics. If you can't show direct revenue impact, your budget will get cut, period. These are the new rules of demand general. Remember them: ABM, intent, acquisition, content, and ROI. Play by them and you'll grow. Ignore them and you'll get left behind. Which of these shifts are you feeling the hardest right now? Drop it in the comments and let's compare notes.